Imagine transforming your daily commutes into a concert-like experience, where every beat of your favorite track resonates with crystal-clear precision right from under your seat. The power of music to elevate our driving experience is undeniable, but not all car audio systems are created equal. These compact yet powerful devices promise to redefine your auditory journey on the road, delivering deep bass and rich soundscapes that can make even the most mundane drives feel like an adventure. So, watch the full video and check the video description for more details. Number 1 is Rockville SS10P 10-inch Underseat Subwoofer. Rockville SS10P offers a powerful 10-inch subwoofer with 800 watt peak power in a slim underseat design. The cast aluminum enclosure ensures optimal heat dissipation, even in confined spaces. With features like a metal bass remote, gain controls, and a PWM MOSFET power supply, it delivers a robust performance. The subwoofer supports both low and high-level inputs with auto turn-on technology. The adjustable input sensitivity, phase switch, and various controls provide customization options. With a frequency response of 20 Hz to 180 Hz, it guarantees a deep and clear bass experience. Number 2 is Seventour Underseat Powered Car Subwoofer. The Seventour ST800 presents a sleek 10-inch underseat subwoofer with an 800 W peak power. Its cast aluminum enclosure ensures heat dissipation, and the 2023 upgrade includes a stylish LED ambient light ring. The subwoofer comes with a wired bass volume remote control and features gain, bass boost, and crossover controls. Supporting both low and high-level inputs, it incorporates various protection circuits, including thermal and short-circuit protection. With a frequency response of 20 Hz to 500 Hz, it provides a dynamic bass experience with customizable settings. Number 3 is YANKA Underseat Car Subwoofer. The YANKA 480-watt 10-inch compact underseat subwoofer delivers powerful bass performance with 120 WRMS power. Boasting crystal-clear sound quality, it features a wide frequency range from 20 Hz to 180 Hz. The subwoofer offers flexibility with high and low-level input options and precise control features like customizable bass boost and a low-pass filter. The integrated subsonic filter at 20 Hz enhances audio clarity. Its compact design and versatile input options make it an ideal choice for enhancing your in-car audio experience. Number 4 is Ainavi 10-inch underseat car subwoofer. The Ainavi ICX80 is a thin-type 10-inch active car subwoofer in a sealed aluminum enclosure. With an 800 watt peak power output and 220 watt RMS, it combines an amplifier and subwoofer in one unit. The subwoofer features variable low-pass filter, bass boost, and gain input for customizable sound. The multicolor ambient lighting adds a stylish touch, and the Smart App or remote controller allows easy control. Complete with a wiring kit and high to low-level inputs adapter, it ensures a convenient and safe installation. Number 5 is SoundStorm Laboratories Underseat Car Subwoofer. SoundStorm Laboratories offers an underseat subwoofer with a built-in amplifier and MOSFET power supply. With variable low-pass filter, high and low-level inputs, and bass boost, it provides customizable sound options. The compact design makes it ideal for space-challenged vehicles. The subwoofer ensures efficient performance with pulse-width modulated design and variable bass boost for personalized audio experience. Boss B10 amplified car subwoofer. The Boss B10 features a built-in 12 max watt amplifier in a compact design, making it suitable for spatially challenged vehicles. With pulse width modulated design, variable low-pass filter, and high and low-level inputs, it offers efficient and customizable performance. The variable bass boost allows users to tailor the low bass according to preferences. Measuring 14 inches in depth, 12.3 inches in width, and 3 inches in height, it provides a space-saving solution without compromising on power and performance.